Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Beowulf, back at it with another video. Woo! Late start, but I'm out. It's Labor Day weekend, it's Saturday. I thought there was gonna be tons of people on the water, so that's why I got a later start. It ended up being like nobody at the boat launch, which I'm like completely shocked. I thought it'd be a long wait, so I just didn't feel like waiting half the day to get in the water, and there was like no wait. I just got right in, there was hardly any people there. You saw this clip, I rolled on some jet skis, man. Woo! Just blew right past them. Alright, so let's get this video going. Man, if you haven't seen my last video, I gave the revealing of the ultimate jet ski boot. Man, this is my first time putting them on, and man, woo! These are nice boots. They fit really good grip. They're nothing compared to those Sea Doo boots. Sea Doo boots, I always had it where I felt like I was sliding, slipping, especially on this jet ski, because if you see it's kind of smoother, it really grips, and they're really snug. I mean, like super snug. I got them on like it feels like you have like a ski boot on or something. It's really nice. So let's get this video going. Let's see if we run it. People want to race. I gotta get some fuel. And look at those people who look like they're catching up, man. So I better stop recording and start like moving, or they're gonna blow right past me. So let's get going. See if these people come rolling up. So, alright, so I'll be fair, I'm gonna give them a head start and then we roll up on them. This is like a good race. Let people have a head start and then catch up on them. and a successful Saturday, man. These boots are, I really like these boots. They're really nice. Really grippy. I mean, it's this night and day between the old boots and new boots. But like I told you, there's just like no boats launched today hardly. I think only three including me. So this looks like it's kind of the end of the video. Man, if you're new to the channel, I'm Beowulf. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. To my existing subscribers, man, I appreciate the support. Greatly appreciated. Remember to be driven to win in life. Never have anybody tell you you can't become something. I was reading up on something about Jay-Z, and some people like Jay-Z or some people don't. But originally when Jay-Z started, everybody said, oh, he sucks, nobody wanted to sign him. And he signed himself, and look where he's at. And it's the same thing like Michael Jordan. You know, Michael Jordan didn't make his high school basketball team, and then look at the legacy of Michael Jordan's a legend. He could have gave up in life. Some people said he couldn't do something, and he proved people wrong. So that's why I tell my viewers, my subscribers, man, be driven to win in life. And a sight most people have never seen. This is like what the trailer looks like. But I'm gonna call it the end, guys. It's nearly getting dark. I want to get this jet ski out before it gets sun goes down completely and get home. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.